This is cabin 9206. This is a prime accessible inside cabin. As you can see, nice wide door. You also have the key touchpad there, which is a bit bigger. This chair and this coffee table can move. If it's moved, you have a ton of room to come in here with your wheelchair. To be honest, this looks to be about the same size as the other prime inside. This has the wider door and the zero clearance bathroom, which we'll show in a minute. There does, however, feel like there's more room to the left and the right of the bed. A king-size bed or two twins when separated. You see your two nightstands. This does have an emergency pull right here if you have an emergency in the middle of the night. Across from here, there's a little writing area with the only power in the cabin. 2 US, 2 European. This does light up. Mini fridge, safe, storage drawers, TV. Love the granite countertop. Your cabin space is great. That bar does pull down, so if you're in a chair, you can get to your clothes. Let's look at this zero clearance bathroom, which means you can roll right in. So you have a sink that you can also roll up to, cubbies on both sides. The mirror is sort of angled, so you can see it if you're in a chair or scooter. You have some drawers as well. Emergency pull and phone in here. Bars to help you transfer over to the toilet. And as you can see, there's just a ton of space for the chair and or scooter. Bench as well in the shower with some more grab bars. You do have a handheld, which you can either have here or up here on this thing, and a regular shower head. So there's your prime inside accessible. Let us know what you think. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.